Eau Gallie Electric's Airfield Systems team has been awarded the Runway 826 Rehabilitation at Pensacola International Airport. This full-scale project replaces outdated lighting, signage, and underground systems with more than 150,000 feet of new 5 kV lighting cable, extensive duct banks, and advanced grounding. Upgrades also include electrical vault improvements, new constant current regulators, and lighted wind cones, all tested to FAA standards. The work enhances safety, reliability, and efficiency, while keeping airport operations running without interruption.
Established in 48, and still going strong.